Alrighty, for this exercise, all we're doing is stairs. Now I do have stairs, but they wouldn't look good on film, so I've just basically stacked up some plates at approximately the height of one step. Because if you're doing stairs, you have to be able to do one step. And if you can do one step, you can do 100 steps, right? Theoretically. The form is the same, whether it's 1 or 100. So it doesn't really matter. So here we have one quote unquote step. Let's figure out how to ease your way into it and some creative ways to use steps, not just forward, but side to side and backwards as well. Here we go. So the simplest thing that you can do with steps is, well, step up and step down. And then step up and step down. Step up, step down. Step up, step down. Now look at my arms by my sides. Why? Why? Because I'm trying to demonstrate what not to do. Humans do not move like this. They don't keep their arms by their sides. When you move your feet, you move your arms. So when your left foot steps up, your right arm swings forward. Okay, I'm being a little dramatic, but it does. Okay, so when you step up with your left foot, your right arm has permission to kind of reach forward a little bit. And then as your right knee comes up, you switch your arms. And then you switch here. Okay. Okay. Now, you don't have to force anything. I'm just giving you permission to swing your arms in a way that feels natural. Okay. And then eventually you can start doing, if you were ready for it, you could do dynamic step ups. Okay. There's a version for you no matter who you are. If that version is, oh, I can't do a full step, then you could create some sort of stack like this. Or you could use assistance. So here, I've got this bar, so I can use assistance, or I could use my hand on my knee and get up, okay, and then stand up, okay, and then I would use my hands on my knees, get down, and then stand back up. Maybe that's where you're at. That's okay. It's okay, right? So we got your forward and back. Okay. Here's your forward and back. And then switch the other side first so that we're doing both sides, okay? Then you can do side to side. Side step ups, right? So other side step ups. You could do backwards. So you could kind of basically, so you're going down the steps, up, down, up, down, up, down, right? And do both sides. Do keep in mind that this right here is difficult on your knee, okay? So if you have knee problems, this might not be where to start. You start somewhere else, okay? And when you're doing step-ups, I want you to keep in mind that some of you might have pain during step-ups. Maybe stairs are hard. Right now, I actually feel a little pain in my knee. So I'm afraid to bend my knee more. But sometimes you find a weird paradoxical thing where instead of just, okay, I don't want to bend my knee, and so then you do more of a hinge and a pull. That's weird. Don't do that. Instead, try intentionally bending your knee really deep and then stepping up from there. And maybe that's your step up for now, right? Is just, okay, all right, this knee always hurts when I step, so I'm intentionally going below where it hurts and then pressing through it. Okay, so I go below where it hurts and then pressing up through it. And that actually feels a lot better on my knee and then pressing up through it, okay? So there's lots of variations, but if you're just getting started, quite simply, really you would find a staircase. That's the best scenario, is find a staircase and just go up the stairs, blah, 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 and then go down your stairs, okay? And spend like 15 minutes walking up and down that staircase like a crazy person. I hope you enjoyed. I actually really like stairs. I used stairs to rehab my own knee. I'm still using stairs to rehab my own knee. And I noticed that the more I do it, the better I get, and the more confident I get and the less my knee hurts. But that's another story. That's a bunch more videos, really, to look at knee stuff. So I hope that this is helpful. I love stairs. I hope you do too. There are a lot more variations, but just to get you started, go out there, find a cool staircase somewhere lost in the wilderness, go up, go down, or just go for a hike. See you next time. Peace.